दोस्तों 25 साल लेगेसी के, 25 साल सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ इंडियन सिनेमा का, 25 साल जुनून का, 25 साल इतिहास बनाने का, 25 साल। And of course, ladies and gentlemen, someone who's giving his heart and soul to Indian cinema, giving blockbusters after blockbusters. Can I request Karthik Aaryan on stage as well? Please give it up for Mr. Karthik Aaryan. शाहरुख, जब भी आईफा वाले आपके बारे में बात करते हैं वो हर बार यही कहते हैं कि शाहरुख हमारे लिए परिवार है, फैमिली है। लंदन में आप थे इन द ईयर 2000, बॉलीवुड सितारे तो थे ही, एंजेलिना जोली भी थी, जैकी चैन भी थे। I really want you to walk down memory lane, flashbacks of a few of the IFAs that you've done, and why is it so special for you?
First of all, a very good evening to everyone and a warm welcome to the Honorable Deputy CM, Diya Kumari ji, and all dignitaries and friends who've come from Rajasthan, and of course, all the colleagues here, Nora, Karthik, you, Kanan, and all our media friends and partners and sponsors of IFA. It's always great to come down here. I've been doing this now for, I didn't realize it till actually about 10-15 days back, कि 25 साल से मैं आंद्रे और विराफ और सब्बास के लिए काम कर रहा हूँ। तुम सिर्फ 23 साल से कर रहे हो, और तुम्हें उन 23 साल में जो 2 साल में तुम नहीं थे, एंजेलिना जोली ही याद रही। तुम 2 सालों के बाद आए थे करना, तुम्हें पता है ना? But it's been a great journey. It was too much fun, like Andre said, and Viraf and Sabbas. Of course, I have some very fond memories. They've always been very hardworking. I've known them, and in no which way demeaning or deriding the status. At that point in time, I just want to point out the hard work they've been doing. I remember them arranging chairs and different award functions for all of us, being kind to us, showing us warmth, and from the beginning of the show till the end of the entertainment ended, they were always looking after us. So they were bound for doing some wonderful things, and I think the creation of IFA by the 3 of them and their whole team over the years is a marvelous achievement, taking Indian cinema global. And I've had too much fun, starting from the Dome, then in Toronto. We have some very wonderful memories, some very wild ones which we can't talk about, but they've been good times, and they've only been good times with IFA, and inshallah I pray for them that they continue to take Indian cinema global, put it on a platform which makes us relevant all around the world. It's always been fantastic performing for them, the production qualities, the way they look after everyone, and extremely hospitable and warm people. So when we leave our town, when we leave our country and we go outside, it's really, you know, initially we used to be like, अरे यार न्यू यॉर्क जा रहे हैं, कौन ध्यान रखेगा, कैसा होगा? But they were always there early in the morning to pick us up from the airport, drop us after the show. So it's been a great journey, and as a matter of fact, I've always wondered, said to them कि यार आप हमारे देश में करो। अभी प्रिंसेस दिया कुमारी जी भी यही फरमा रही थी कि हमारा आईफा जो है यहाँ हमारे देश में होना चाहिए। So it's wonderful, no better place than Rajasthan and Jaipur to be hosting this. Just to remind you, because I've been told by them, याद दिला देना लोग भूल ना जाए, 8 और 9 तारीख 9 मार्च 2025 को जयपुर में हमारा शो होगा। तो आप सबको आमंत्रण है, प्लीज़ आइएगा और वहाँ पे हमारे साथ एंजॉय कीजिएगा और इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को सेलिब्रेट कीजिएगा। एंड yeah, it's been really wonderful. I'm in the middle of going to shoot a film, but when they said it's 25 years, I need to be there. So I've rushed here, and I'm hoping and looking forward to being in Rajasthan, in Jaipur, on the 9th of March, and enjoying as we've enjoyed the last 25 years. So thank you, Aifa. Thank you, Andre. Thank you, Viraf. Thank you, Sabbas.
एक स्लोगन होती है जो दिल से निकलती है शाहरुख, जहां पे भी जाते हैं, the way the stadium screams, "We love you, Shahrukh." How many of you say that all the time? Put your hands up, everybody. There you go. Karthik, आप जो भी छूते हैं is becoming a blockbuster, and we are so proud of your journey. और तहे दिल से लगता है कि अपना ही बंदा जीत रहा है और अच्छा काम कर रहा है। पिछले साल शाहरुख ने होस्ट किया और इस साल आप होस्ट करने वाले हैं। Does that make you nervous? What do you feel inside?
आप सवाल ऐसे पूछते हो ऑलरेडी डर लगने लगता है जवाब देने का. I think first of all again good evening everyone. I think it's been a lovely evening amongst all of you and I'm sharing the stage with Shah Rukh sir. Thank you sir for being here. Honorable Diya Kumari ji, Nora, Andre, Sabas, Viraf. You've been wonderful as always and Sid Kanan ji, आपने 23 years पूरे किए आईफा पे, तो इनके लिए भी थोड़ी सी तालियां इनके लिए भी कर दीजिए. Yes, I think I'm just too happy to be a part of the 25th anniversary of IFA. होस्ट करने वाला हूँ. आई थिंक आई होप कि मैं सेकंड बेस्ट होस्टिंग कर पाऊँ बिकॉज इनको कोई बीट नहीं कर सकता. एंड शाहरुख सर जब भी होस्टिंग किए हैं या परफॉर्म किए हैं, I think he's been at it. He's been wonderful. It's always been like a stadium effect when he comes on stage. So I'm just happy to be a part of this entire association with IFA. It's been a global stage with IFA every time, and finally coming home to Jaipur, to Rajasthan, I think it feels wonderful to be doing it in India and celebrating the wonderful films, the performances of the year, and I'm really looking forward to this. I'm really looking forward to the entire hosting campaign, hosting session, and being on stage at IFA in Jaipur on 8th and 9th of March 2025.
Well, I know you will create magic, Karthik. We believe that. Talia, Karthik le bhi. I had a beautiful observation last time. तो जो लोग हॉल स्टेज पे आ रहे थे to receive trophies तो उन्होंने लिया, पर सबको एक जादू की झप्पी जरूर चाहिए थी from Shahrukh, and it was so beautiful because every person said, "Hey, I love the trophy, but I want a hug." So thank you, Shahrukh, for all the warmth. Yeah, thank you so much. I'm going to take that mic from both of you, please, क्योंकि एक photo op करना है.
I want to just say that Karthik is going to host this 25th year, the most wonderful and fantastic, just so that I can pass off the mantle to him. तो इसको मैं सिखा देता हूँ कि जयपुर में शुरुआत कैसे करनी है. तो पहले हमको बोलना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि दिया कुमारी जी भी यहाँ पर हैं. पधारो मारे आईफा,
पधारो मारे आईफा,
पधारो मारे देश राजस्थान,
पधारो मारे देश राजस्थान,
एंड खम्मा घनी,
खम्मा घनी.
क्या बात है. थैंक यू. अब मैं चाहूंगा कि हमारे मीडिया के दोस्तों के लिए आप लोग एक फोटो अपॉर्चुनिटी कर ले. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, शाहरुख खान एंड कार्तिक आर्यन. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to call Nora on stage as well. Nora for this photo op with Shahrukh and Karthik as well. Nora is going to be there for the IFA Digital Awards with pulsating performances that are going to be coming up. Ladies and gentlemen, Shahrukh Khan, Karthik Aaryan and Nora. Thank you to all three of you. See you in Jaipur, Shahrukh. Thank you, Karthik, as well. Thank you. अच्छा ऐसे अभी भी ट्रेनिंग चल रही है क्या? आपको रुकना है. कार्तिक आप प्लीज बैठिए. अच्छा, all right, और भी आएंगे opportunities for pictures, दोस्तों. और अब
Mic is off. Okay. Oh my God, I'm supposed to dance?
okay, I'm going to tell you that
What?
later. Hello, that's internal conversation.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Okay, so now Nora,
Yes.
IFA, you know how much of love and respect they all have for IFA. You're going to be part of the IFA Digital Awards.
Yes.
You've already chalked out your plan of action. What are you going to be performing? What are those tracks? I'm really curious.
Yes, of course. First of all, good evening to everybody. Thank you for coming today. Good evening. I'm very excited to be a part of the 25th anniversary of IFA, it's Silver Jubilee. It's insane. This will be my 4th time performing back to back since 2022, so it's a big deal for me. And this time we're doing it in Jaipur, which is huge. It's nice to see that we're bringing IFA back to India, and this is going to be epic. As for my performance, let's see. I hope I can beat the other performances I did for IFA. 2022 was an epic one, so this time I'm taking a lot of pressure.
You know what? When pressure comes, you always overcome it. Now, because our friends from the media are people we love, IFA calls them family. यार एक स्नेक वाला जो आपका डांस स्टेप है वो कर दो यार, बहुत ट्रेंड कर रहा है. Who wants to see Nora do a snake step? Put your hands up. या हो जाएगा ऐसे ही. Imagine म्यूजिक हेड में आपके. You want me to sing it? मैं बहुत बुरा हूं यार. Please, okay? So, center में, please, Nora, center में. All right. Lights, camera, action. All right, but thank you so much. You are one person who has infectious energy. You want me to try it?
No, I think you should try. Everyone's seen me doing a million times. Okay, what we gotta do? You gotta drop your hip down. Okay, but why are you bending? Be straight. Come down. Yes, very good. Now I want you to roll that stomach once.
How?
No, not the stomach, not the bum, just the stomach. Yes, just roll it in. Very good. Now, after you roll it in, I want you to wave your stomach up. Okay, not bad. What do you guys think? No? It's not good?
Nora, the way you do it, come on, yaar.
You're a sport. Everyone, clap for him. He tried. I love it. Thank you.
इसलिए मेरी वाइफ बोलती है तू डांस मत कर, तू बोला कर बस. Thank you, Nora. We're looking forward to Jaipur. Give it up for Nora, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, तालियों की गूंज for her. और अब, wow, मैं दिल से धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं कि आप ओपन आर्म्स के साथ you are inviting IFA to Jaipur. IFA कितना महत्वपूर्ण है राजस्थान के लिए, जयपुर के लिए और आपके लिए?
सबसे पहले तो मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगी आइफा का, सबास, विराफ जी, आंद्रे जी, द होल टीम ऑफ आइफा, कि उन्होंने राजस्थान में जो 25वां आपका साल है, सिल्वर जुबली सेलिब्रेशन है, वो आपने वहाँ सेलिब्रेट करने का ये तय किया है और हम सभी के लिए बहुत ही खुशी की बात है, गर्व की बात है और वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट. The whole state, Rajasthan, is looking forward to it, to have to host the IFA Awards, the 25th IFA Awards. It's a great honor and a privilege for us.
मैम, किन का परफॉर्मेंस अब सबसे ज्यादा देखना चाहती है?
सभी का मुझे लगता है कि राजस्थान में इस तरह के इवेंट्स, इतना बड़ा इवेंट, एक जो आपका ग्लोबल स्तर का इवेंट है, वो पहली बार राजस्थान में हो रहा है. तो मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगी हमारे मुख्यमंत्री जी का और पूरी टीम का, हमारे पूरे राजस्थान टूरिज़्म डिपार्टमेंट का, पूरे राजस्थान सरकार का, सभी का, कि उन्होंने इतने जल्दी, बहुत कम समय में हम लोगों ने ये डिसीजन लिया था कि ये करना है और उसके बाद बहुत जल्दी हम लोगों ने इसको ग्राउंड पे लेके आए और फिर डेट तय हुई और बहुत खुशी की बात है कि मार्च में ये होने वाला है, 9 तारीख को, 8 और 9 को. और बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगी मैं शाहरुख खान जी का, कार्तिक आर्यन जी का, नौरा जी का, कि वो भी होपफुली वहाँ पर आप तो आएंगे ही, आपको तो प्रेजेंट करना है, पर आपके साथ मुझे लगता है कि राजस्थान में एक नई उमंग आएगी. हमारे राजस्थान में इट्स अ फिल्म शूटिंग डेस्टिनेशन एंड वो भी बढ़ेगा, तो हमारे राजस्थान का टूरिज्म बढ़ेगा, हमारे राजस्थान की इकोनॉमी बढ़ेगी, रोजगार बढ़ेगा और वही सरकार चाहती है. हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का जो विजन है पूरे भारत के लिए और राजस्थान के लिए, उसी दिशा में ये भी एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण कार्यक्रम होगा.
थैंक यू रिस्पेक्टेड मैम. और हम लोग बहुत बहुत तहे दिल से एक्साइटेड है, हम वहां पे आ रहे हैं. जैसे कहा आपने 8 और 9 मार्च को आईफा के 25 साल हम आपके साथ सेलिब्रेट करेंगे, आपके लोगों के साथ सेलिब्रेट करेंगे। धन्यवाद एंड लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द मोस्ट मेमोरेबल एक्सपीरियंस। मैं चाहूंगा कि आप रुके रहें स्टेज पर, क्योंकि एक और बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट चीज हो रहा है आईफा में। एंड फॉर दैट लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, आई रिक्वेस्ट Sabas, Andre Viraf, Partho Banerjee sir, Ashish Parak sir, Ashish Sehgal sir, Kunal Khambati, along with Karthik Aryan and Nora to come up on stage for the launch of IFA 25 Garden and Tree Plantation I Can Make a Difference Initiative 2025 का cause है IFA Challenge for Green। मैं चाहता हूं आप लोग सब आ जाएं स्टेज पर। जैसे कि आप लोग जानते हैं, हर साल हम लोग सेलिब्रेट करते हैं सिनेमा के साथ साथ एक इनिशिएटिव, और इस साल है लॉन्च ऑफ आईफा 25 गार्डन एंड ट्री प्लांटेशन आई कैन मेक अ डिफरेंस इनिशिएटिव। IFA Challenge for Green, the 2025 cause, 25 saal of IFA, and what a cause that we're all supporting. Thank you, team IFA. Thank you to the Indian film industry. Ladies and gentlemen, IFA with a heart, IFA with a cause. Thank you so much, all of you, but I request Sabas to please tell us about this initiative that we're doing in Jaipur.
In 2007, long while before anyone spoke about environment, or when everyone was arguing about is climate change for real, that's when IFA changed its red carpet to green, signaling the importance of not just governments and corporates to do work regarding the environment. It was a call to action for all of us, because the environment belongs to us all, and it is our joint responsibility, collective responsibility to look after the environment. And the only way we can do it is reducing our carbon footprint, cutting off plastic, growing plants, growing trees. The Honorable Prime Minister has received honors for having responded to the global challenges and the global call to action by the United Nations, receiving the Champion of Change Award. He brought in different initiatives across the space. IFA in its own way, whilst we reach almost 600 million people across the world with our broadcast and our digital footprint, etc., whilst we entertain the world, have taken on the responsibility to also educate the world and let people know through our platform how important it is to embrace global issues. And our film industry has helped us to use their voice of celebrity to be able to take this message across. Last year we spoke about women empowerment, and Shobha Realty was one of our big supporters campaigning with us. This year we're working with the government of Rajasthan.
Trees on stage. Yes, IFA Green Challenge, ladies and gentlemen. Now, over the past 7 years, the partnership between IFA and Nexa has been nothing short of extraordinary. A collaboration that exemplifies innovation, style, and excellence. Deputy Chief Minister, Rajasthan, Diya Kumari ji, ma'am, can I request you please aa jaye stage par? we'd love to give you a plaque on behalf of IFA. तब तक आपको एक फोटो अपॉर्चुनिटी में मिल गया दोस्तों, रिस्पेक्टेड मैम और कार्तिक का. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, hashtag IFA 2025. Make it trend now. Thank you, respected ma'am. मेरी दरखास्त है, you could take your seats, and thank you so much for being here. अब मैं चाहूंगा कि कार्तिक एक प्लाक प्रेजेंट करे to Mr. Partho Banerjee, sir. Thank you, sir. You know this legacy of Nix and IFA gets stronger and stronger year after year. ताली आप आज बजाओगे, कल बजाओगे आप लोग? क्या बात है? Thank you, Mr. Banerjee. और अब मैं चाहूंगा Mr. आशीष परख आ जाएं स्टेज पर to receive this plaque on behalf of Shobha Realty. Can I please call on stage Mr. Ashish Sehgal, Chief Growth Officer, ZTV. Ashish, back on stage, please. दोस्तों ताली बजाओ, it's the weekend, यार. और वो भी आईफा वाला. Can I call Kunal Kambati back on stage for receiving this plaque? Thank you. We're so happy to be collaborating with you, Kunal. "25 years of IFA." Wow. Thank you. Thanks, Kunal. Thank you, man. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Robert Dallymore, General Manager and Area Vice President, West India Grand Hyatt. Robert, can I have you on stage, please? Hello, Robert. Thank you for the warmest hospitality. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Deepak Namjoshi, Director, Critique Asia Group of Hospitals. Dr. Masuma Namjoshi, Director, Critique Asia Group of Hospitals. Can I request both of you on stage, please? And as you can see, they're beautifully twinning as well. Thank you to the duo as well. And I'd like to call on board Founder Art Media Advertising, Mr. Sunil Sethi. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Pankaj Tripathi, Founder Vernost. On stage, please, Mr. Pankaj Tripathi. Ladies and gentlemen, a big thank you to Mr. Karthik Aryan. So proud of you, brother. And I know कि आप जैसे performances करते, hosting भी blockbuster होगा भाई. आपका दूसरा नाम blockbuster होना चाहिए. Thank you, Karthik. Thank you so much. Look forward. और अब दोस्तों, एक बहुत बड़ा unveiling होने वाला है. But before that, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much to respected ma'am, Karthik, and of course, Nora as well. Ladies and gentlemen, एक बहुत बड़ा announcement है, the unveiling of the Grand Kitchen